Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How To's. In this video, I will show you how to know what motherboard you have. So knowing your motherboard is actually really helpful. So if you want to upgrade your CPU, then knowing your chipset will actually be helpful. Now, there's actually 4 ways to get your motherboard. The first way to get your motherboard, and actually the easiest way right now, is via your physical inspection. So in your motherboard itself, the name, the manufacturer, and the model itself is actually located somewhere around it. So it's usually located not in the section where most of the important parts will be located. So maybe at the lower right, in the back, or even somewhere that is not crowded. So you just need to look for it. So usually sometimes the manufacturer and the model itself will be separated, so be aware of that. You just need to look for the 4-digit code. That's the model for it. Now, another way for you to know what motherboard you have is via the CMD in your PC. So it's actually pretty easy. Let's just go to the bottom left of our screen. That's where our Windows search is. And from here, you just need to look for CMD. Now here, you just need to open up command prompt here. But before we open this up, make sure that you run this as administrator. And just click on yes if it asks for any further information or permissions here. And from here, you just need to type in the following commands, which is gonna be WMIC baseboard get product, comma manufacturer. So when we just hit on enter in this one, it's going to show us our manufacturer for our motherboard as well as the product itself. So this one is actually pretty easy, but if you are not actually familiar using command prompt here, you'll be able to easily use this one. Just follow the steps that we just shown you. But if for some reason you really don't want to use command prompt, or you're unable to use command prompt, well, there's actually other ways for you to follow. So the other way for you to use or to know your motherboard is via your system information. Now, to access system information, you want to go to Windows search at the bottom left of your screen. And here, just type in system information and click on it to open this one. Now in here, the only thing you need to do here is make sure that you're in the system summary section. Now here, you want to look for a section that actually says baseboard here. So we have 3 baseboards here. We have the baseboard manufacturer, baseboard product, and the baseboard version. Now with baseboard manufacturer, this is the manufacturer for our motherboard. Now the product here is the product itself, and the version is the version. Now it's actually pretty easy. From here, you just need to copy this one if you want, and that's it. Now, another way for you to know what motherboard you have right now is via the use of a third-party application. So CPU-Z is actually a great application in knowing what you have right now on your PC. So to download CPU-Z, you just need to go to cpuid.com and look for the CPU-Z application. Now, if you're not aware of where you could actually download this one, you could go ahead and go to Google and basically just type in CPU-Z, and the first link that you'll see there is for the software for that one. So just click on that and you'll be redirected into the section where you could actually download CPU-Z. Now, once you have CPU-Z, you just need to open up CPU-Z. Click yes if it's going to ask any further permissions, and it's going to load up. So let's just wait for this to load up, and a new UI should appear on your screen. Now in here, as you can see, it's going to check for updates. So if you want to check for updates on startup, just click on that and just click on continue. Now here, it's going to pop up this UI here. You will be able to see all the details about your computer. So we have the CPU section, mainboard, memory, SPD, graphics, bench, and about. So what we are looking for here is our motherboard. So let's just go to the mainboard section here, and from here you should be able to see the manufacturer and the model itself. So here, it's going to further give you details about this one. They have the bus specs, the chipset, South Bridge, and a lot more here. And that's about it. So checking your motherboard is really easy. You just need to follow the steps that we just shown you, and that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.